Hi, this is Jeremy Knapp from Bantha Custom Installs, and got a package with a bunch of hilts in today. I'm going to show you one of the hilts here that came in the box. Oh, yeah. So, those of you guys that don't recognize this is a Watto's Junkyard Tusken Slayer. This is Anakin's AOTC hilt. Got some heavy battle damage and scarring. Look at that. That's got the static pommel in here. I'll go grab the vented pommel. Quick. So, let's see. The two pommels, both have been weathered. It's pretty nice setup here. So this screw is for the blade retention. Pop out the blade plug in here. There's blade plug. And right here, this is held in place by a magnet. So I'll try to pull this off with one hand. There we go. And then these are loose in here. So, two of these are designed to be your switches here and here. Got the Proffieboard V3, nice 18650 wrapped Keeppower 3000 milliamp hour battery. Got kill switch right there. Got Smugglers Outpost 22 millimeter Nano bass speaker. Got Jedi Order logo on here. Got some sayings on it. Got Anakin saying on there, "I don't like sand." The whole line on there. Bantha Whisper on the side of the chassis as well. Shtok neopixel PCB connector. The two center buttons are actual triggers for the switches. The bottom one is the auxiliary, and the top one is the primary. So if I want force lightning, hold down the primary, tap the auxiliary. And this is loaded with quite a few fun fonts on there. So that one was a Tusken Slayer by Kyberphonics. Second one,
General I fought with was among the greatest of the Jedi.
This one's General Skywalker. This one is by Syndicate.
The Jedi General I served combined the Force with his wits, and it made him a great warrior.
If you ever see that, it's just because the blade got disconnected for a second. I don't have it snug up completely. So loosen this up, give it a good push down, and tighten this really good.
Wait, this is it? Nobody told me it was gonna be this easy.
Oh yeah, I forgot to put the pommel on. So. Screw down the pommel quick.
Great Jedi once told me the best leaders lead by example.
Alright, next one
It's just Ben.
is Ben by Kyberphonic. Oh, the rematch bundle.
Where is he?
Alright, and the next one's Darth. But I can add soundtrack if I want to. Turn it off. Okay, and this is the third one in the rematch bundle. The third.
Are you a Jedi?
Then Mando Hero.
Incoming craft, identify yourself.
Number one. I'll see you again. I promise.
Alright. So, Red from the Survivor bundle.
Remember, a Jedi can feel the Force.
The Beginner by Mountain Sabers. Orange. Another Survivor bundle. Kyberphonic.
You ever hear the tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise?
Tragedy. Alright. Alright. And blue. This is the last one from the Survivor bundle.
Okay,
It's on here.
let's try this again.
Here I thought your greatest virtue was your dogged persistence as you stumbled from one debacle to the next. You'll never make it out of this place alive! Here I thought your greatest virtue was your dogged persistence as you stumbled from one debacle to the next. Get on board!
Yeah, Phil. This one's pretty much ready. Just a few little tweaks and it'll be done.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.